This is a water ball.
Water ball.
Water?
Oh,
Okay.
what is this?
Just suck it. This is our brother, and we are just randomly
Came here.
and just promote something.
There's
Grace.
a two person over there.
Oh, who they are? Crocodile fan. This is for salt.
Hello, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Kimu,
This is Mugdhu Talukdar.
and we have come back in this video, and we will learn English through Comprehensible input blog
Yeah.
and slow English. And we are in real life situation making this kind of blog. We are learning English through it, and we are at the police station.
Do you know why we are standing?
I know I standing at police line. Its name is police line, and this place is so crowded and vehicle. I mean crowded means there is no that much people, but there is a lots of vehicle
Over there.
over there.
But I have very much nostalgic feelings in this with this road because
I know that you are
Yeah.
from you started from
I am from
police
Police Line School.
school. It is over there.
Over there. Yeah. Oh, there is also a bank. It's called Krishi Bank, Agriculture Bank.
Agriculture bank.
Yeah.
Yes, agriculture bank is there. Maybe they recently
No.
came here. They have been
They
for
have been
4
for
to 5 years.
No. More than.
More than 5 years.
Yeah.
We are walking here. There is two dogs just over behind us.
Yeah.
They are sleeping.
Don't disturb them.
Don't disturb them.
They will be bite you. They will bite you. Yeah. Welcome back.
One auto just wanted to hit us. Almost
We are
inside
the shopping mall.
It's not
a
like
shopping
shopping mall.
It's just a little shop.
It's a kind of like shop, has everything, like makeup product to like other stuff.
Yeah. This is a good place.
I can show you around.
Oh, this place is good.
This place is so quiet.
Yeah.
In like outside
Outside
there
is
is so much
so
noise, but this place is so quiet.
This pant is so good. Crocodile pant.
This pen has printed crocodile. And this
Oh,
place
maybe
also
we-
has a cookery or other stuff.
Maybe he just want to introduce something. They have some cookeries item.
Various item they have salt.
Yeah, this is for salt.
What is
This is a water ball.
water bowl?
Water pot.
Water bowl. I never saw like this kind of water bowl. How does it look? Oh,
Okay.
what is this?
Just suck it.
I like this.
Hey, there is 10% discount.
Oh,
Only
only
cookeries.
cookers item there is.
we are doing just promotion, brother. English learner, but we just inside
Came here.
came for at the shop and
kind of
this is our brother, and we are just randomly came here and just promote something.
not
with
promoted.
English.
We make a video in
We just English learners.
and learners
or
and
nothing.
came here, and we have a time.
Don't hire us.
We have whenever we have time, we
Yeah.
take talk in English and show around. There is other stuff. I like this stuff. Oh, it is great. Look at this.
Come
This is a big mirror. Oh,
for changing dress.
there's a two person over there.
Oh, who they are?
maybe we can go inside any shop because shop lighting is so good. The lighting of those shops are really good. When we make video inside the shop, those video output came out
Very good.
very good.
Do you
And
know what in front of us?
what?
It's called Red Roof Inn, the hotel of Kumilla.
Hotel of Mugdo.
No, I'm broke person. I have no money.
People, maybe we shouldn't stand there. People are walking with this road inside
Maybe
us,
they also walking with my mobile.
and maybe they will grab your phone,
Yeah,
stole your phone.
you can stand here.
In front of us there is a flyover.
Do you know, guys? I am just a food lover person.
Food lover person.
As a foodie, I just mention that gets so noise. Wow, how
There
can I
is so much noise.
edit the video? Okay,
You don't have to edit. Just we have to raise the voice. That is
Okay,
how
okay, okay.
we can counter it.
Behind of us, this is the sweet shop. It's called Matrubhumi.
It's a famous over here.
Famous all over Bangladesh, but all over Bangladesh have no their outlet. But their sweets are so good, so
good.
fresh. I just love their
I like their yogurt.
yogurt, and their matcha is also famous. And one item is
we are doing promotion without money.
without money.
Anybody need to do promotion?
Hire us.
Hire us. We will do promotion for you.
If you hire us, we have the we have the technique to
Promote.
marketing, and your sales will be
Any Englishman will came here.
at the peak.
Any Englishman will come your shop and will buy something for your shop. Here is a one. Nice
If you guys hire us, your shop will be the international shop, international brand.
whatever. So that is it for today.
Yeah.
We have to wrap up our vlog. And
There's too much people over there.
if you still there,
Yeah.
you can subscribe us. It will help us to grow and it will inspire us and whatever. Thank you so much. Thank you for today.